Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to connect the ads.txt file on your website. So this is my two website, and one website already get a approval status, and Google AdSense masukme.com and authorized also. So now I'll show you how to connect Google AdSense and on your website. So this is my another e-commerce website, ishoppt.com. That will be run by Bangladesh. So just click this, uh, and you will show that AdSense code snippet and ads.txt code. So just copy this and go to your admin dashboard panel, Hostinger. Then this is my Hostinger panel, and go to here. Then access your ads.txt file. Okay, so if don't create it, so just make a another txt file from here. Like if you want to copy, or just go to your notepad. Okay, then create a new file and save it. Then here just type ads. Okay, save it. Then go to your file and download ads.file and copy this and paste it here. Okay, here is your ads.txt file. Okay, so now you just go to your website and site.google, and I have a file uploaded. Verify it. That is the very simple, guys. You just follow my steps. Okay, your site is verified. Next, then request review. Okay, now you're getting ready for the authorized by your authorized ads.txt file. Okay, so now it's getting ready. So this is very important and very important for your site and earning at risk. You need to fix some ads.txt file issue to avoid several serve your impact to your revenue. Okay, so guys, this is the system you can follow and solve your problem ads.txt file. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like my video, obviously subscribe my youtube channel and also share with your friends and family. Okay, stay well.